excited to be here. When I got the call that I was going to be coming to Australia Pit, I was like, I'm on it. Tell me where to go, tell me what time, because it's going to be packed and full of great information to help you all take your businesses to the next level.
Because once you get that amount of engagement, Facebook's like, oh, that's a pretty good ad. We're not going to charge you as much to get that ad out there. It's literally how that algorithm works.
I need to do this for myself, to make myself proud, and to make my team proud, and to finally get rid of the faux what. Like seriously, just fear of what others think. And it was seriously the best thing I ever did.
Moving on.
My gosh, you guys, I flew across the freaking world to come talk to you guys today. What is life? Holy cow.
What about the people that look at you and think, I can't be you? If you were to show them that they could do this, they might get used to this and then might be able to do the other things that aren't actually scary.
So good catching up with the SeneSisters and learning so much.
The training was beyond expectation.
These women and these trainers and these people are just ridiculous. Like they give you all of the stuff all of the time.
Filling up your soul with all these incredible people, and you just take it away and you run with it.
It was fun. We had a lot of fun. It was a great event.
1, 1, 2, 2.